So hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how I connected Teseron STUDIO to a Bubble project. I'm going to displaying this book table on a Bubble page in a Bubble repeating group, which means that I'm grabbing this API URL. The operation is going to be a list which is basically a get operation. So I'm gonna get back a list of books, and I will be able to display them in Bubble. So basically all I need to do is click this API icon, and I'm not gonna bother you with this filtering and ordering and these kind of stuff. It's gonna be for another tutorial, but here I need just grab this URL here by clicking this little icon. And when I go to Bubble, I go to my plugins and I want to add a plugin, and obviously I'm adding the API connector. Once that's added, I'm gonna add a new API, and I'm gonna call it, an API is gonna be called books, and the first API is gonna be get books or list books. The operation is gonna be get, and here I'm pasting the URL that I previously grabbed from Teseron STUDIO. And once I got this, all I need to do is to initialize the call. Now I can see that Bubble successfully connected to Teseron STUDIO, which is cool. I can see that I'm getting back an ID, a title of type text, and I'm getting back a cover of type text. This is wrong. We need to switch this to image, because the cover is image, right? When we are back in our project in a book list, we know that the cover type is image. So we're changing that to image, and we're saving it. Now when I go to the front-end editor, I'm just coming to the repeating group, pasting a repeating group here, and I'm gonna say that I want to plugin type of get book, and the data source is gonna be get data from external API, and this is the API that we just created, right? The API group was called books, and then the get books was the exact API that I'm going to use. And that's pretty much it. Right now, this repeating group is grabbing the data from our API, and I can just add a text element, and also, for example, an image element underneath, and I can say that this text will be the current cells get books title, and this image is going to be the current cells get books cover. That's it, guys. There is nothing else that we need to do. We can just preview this. And as far as I'm aware, we should be able to see a list of books with the title and the cover image.